Hi, myself, Professor Jitendra Engre, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering Technology, Navgar Bhayandar East. Our today's topic is application of grammar. In it, we will discuss direct and indirect. Course outcomes: formulate grammatically correct sentences. Student able to change the narration for given situation. Student can use relevant narration for the given situation. These are the learning outcomes student will achieve after completion of this topic. So students, in our last video or last lecture, we discussed how to transfer direct to indirect, how to transfer the narration from direct to indirect or indirect to direct. While transferring sentence from direct to indirect or change their narration, what are the changes in tense, what are the changes in reported verb, what are the changes in pronouns, what are the changes in verbs, tenses or tenses, we all of us seen in our last video very well. We know that as per the types of sentence, assertive, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory, which is the reported verb is used, which is the joining conjunction used. We studied in our last lecture very well. So now we do not have any problem while transferring sentence direct to indirect or indirect to direct speech. Means simply we do not have any problem to change the narration. So here are some examples we will see one by one. And as per the rule of grammar, as per the guideline of grammar, we will transfer the sentence from direct to indirect or either change their narration. Number one, Geeta said, I do yoga daily. In this sentence, in reported verb, said is used, and reported speech, I do yoga daily, it is in a simple present tense. Okay. Tense simple present tense is used because do is a V1 form is used there. So while transferring in direct speech, we use Geeta said. There is no change in reported verb because there is no object available. So Geeta said, joining conjunction that because assertive sentence is there. Geeta said that she did yoga daily. Simple present tense transfer into simple past. Remove the inverted comma and finally goes full stop. She said to me, comma into double inverted comma, what do you want now? Now here in reported speech, interrogative sentence is given. The sentence begins with WH word what. So if sentence is reported, sentence is in a interrogative in reported speech, we use asked. So transfer in indirect speech, she asked me, joining conjunction same what, and do you want transfer into assertive sentence, and also we change the tense. Do you want transfer to wanted, we remove the do. What I wanted then, now transfer to then, full stop. I said to him, are you going for the party? Are you going for the party? It is sentence begins with are, helping verb is there, so it is yes no types of question, means it is interrogative sentence. I asked him if a sentence is yes no type, we use if instead of WH word. If WH word is missing there. If he was going for the party, the monitor said, sir, some students were making noise yesterday. In this sentence, assertive types of sentence is used in reported verb, and the monitor said, means monitor told the sir or monitor told the teacher, joining conjunction that some students were making noise. It is a past continuous tense is used. So instead of past continuous, we transfer to past perfect continuous tense. Some students had been making noise yesterday, transfer to previous day. Okay. So actually the sentence is monitor told the sir that some student had been making the noise the previous day or the day before. The servant says, comma to double inverted comma, master is not at home. Assertive types of sentence used. So the servant says that because in reported verb says is used, simple present tense is used, so there is no change, it remains as it is. The servant says that the master is transferred into was not is transferred into was, but here the simple present tense is used in the reported verb, That's why there is no change in the tense in reported speech also. So is remain as it is. There is no change in is, means is not transferring to was. So that's why is remain as it is. So answer is, the servant says that the master is not at home. Number 6, Anju said, I, comma into double comma, I wrote a letter. Anju said that she had written a letter. Number 7, the Prime Minister said, India became independent in 1947. The Prime Minister said that India had become independent in 1947. Next, he said to the policeman, comma into double comma, please save me. So, students, it is a different types of sentence. It's the imperative types of sentence. Before it, we have seen statement assertive. Statement means it is assertive or interrogative sentence, and we transfer also them direct to indirect. But here it is imperative types of sentence. Here, if as per the command of the sentence, we use requested, ordered, commanded, warned, etc. in reported verb, and using to or not to as a joining conjunction for the sentence. So in this sentence, we will see how to transfer into indirect speech. He said to the policeman, he begged to, instead of said to, we use begged to, BEGD, or requested also we are used there. He begged policeman to save him. To is the joining conjunction used. We remove the please and save. V1 form of the verb is there, so we do not change, because every imperative sentence is always given in a imperative types of sentence, and me transferring to him. So he begged policeman to save him. The old man said to her, obey your elders. The old man advised her to obey her elders. It is also imperative types of sentence. Instead of said to, we use advised, and joining conjunction to is used, and obey her elders. There is no change in the verb. The girl said, hooray, comma into double comma, hooray, I I own a gold medal, double comma, complete. The girl explained with joy. See, student, if such types of sentence given there, so hooray is the inner feeling of happiness, so we use the girl explained with joy. If nervousness, sadness is there, the girl explained with sorrow. Such types of reported verb we are used here. Okay, so the girl explained that, or the girl explained with joy that she had won a gold medal. Next, Raju said, Gautam must go tomorrow. The Raju said, Gautam must go tomorrow. In this sentence, it is the assertive types of sentence. So Raju said that Gautam must go the next day. Must or Gautam had to go the next day. Such types of sentence we are also used there. Gautam must go next day. Next, he said, comma into double comma, I passed the physical test. He said that he had passed the physical test. Number 13, don't play on the grass, the boy said. Comma into double comma, complete. She said. She ordered the boy not to play on the grass. The sentence begins with don't. It's a negative sentence. That's why we use not to instead of to. And as it is, we join the sentence. She ordered the boy not to play on the grass. Number 14. You should revise your lesson, he said to me. He told me that I should revise my lesson. Number 15. I shall appreciate it, he said. He said that he should appreciate him or appreciate that. Number 16. Ima said, comma into double comma, people in Africa are starving. Ima said that people in Africa was starving. Number 17. I bought your I bought you this book, comma into double comma, complete. She said to him. She told him that she had bought him that book. 18. Param said to me, he removed a year ago. Param told me that he had removed a year before. 19. He said to me, I have, comma, double comma, I have not done it today, comma, double comma, complete, full stop. He told me that he had not done it that day. 20. She said to him, comma into double comma, I don't believe you, double comma, complete, full stop. She told him that she did not believe him. So students, these are the changes in narration while transferring sentence direct to indirect speech or indirect to direct speech. While transferring in the sentence, some guideline you should have to follow. Just like if types of sentence, either it is assertive, interrogative. Interrogative is W begins with WH word or either helping verb, that is yes no types question. Then imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. As per the sentence, we are using the exact reported verb. Then joining conjunction also it is. Then changes in adverbs, changes in pronouns and changes in tense. If all of us, if you keep all these things in your mind, so you do not have any problem to transferring the sentence from direct to indirect or indirect to direct speech. So I hope you all of us understood this topic very well. Now you do not have any problem to transferring or changing the narration or change the speech in your day to day grammar or either in any grammatical usage. Thank you very much.